Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want to cancel Claude Pro without getting charged again? I'll show you the exact steps. Canceling Claude Pro is easy if you do it the right way. Many users think in installing or logging out cancel the subscription, but that's not true. So let's cancel it properly by following these few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is to log into Claude. And to do that, you're gonna search for Claude in your browser, then you're gonna click on Claude AI. Once you click on this website, you're gonna make sure you log in with your account. Once you click on login with your account, you're gonna log in with your Google account or your Cloud account. Then you're gonna click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner. From here, you're gonna click on settings. Once you click on settings, you're gonna click on the billing section. Click on the billing section right here. And here, you're gonna click on free plan. When you don't have a premium plan, you're gonna click on change or upgrade the plan depending on which one. And here, you're gonna click cancel Claude Pro, or you can click on use Claude for free as to return to the free features. And confirm the cancellation. After that, you're gonna check the confirmation messages or emails, and your Pro access stays active until the billing period ends. Don't wait until the last hour to cancel, and logging out does not cancel billing. Also take a screenshot of the cancellation and check your next billing date. And that's how you cancel Claude Pro in 2026, safely and correctly. This is for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.